Hey Stacy, I'm just going to video this for you while I happen to come over here today so you can see what I'm talking about. The rollers are the little things that are going to go up on that rail right there. That's what's making all the noise. These are the springs. And the cable he's talking about that's starting to wear is right here. And you can kind of see it's getting a little raggy. Okay, now I'm going to open it so you can see what I'm talking about. Well, that wasn't as loud as it has been, but anyway, that's the story.